Hi folks, this is Anu again in Varun's kitchen. Today we are making these tiny little mini sausage buns. They'll actually be looking like little bunnies. So the dough is the same as the bread dough. You can see the video of this from before. I am gonna start rolling these. It's very quick. Just small amount of dough. Gonna make it into a cylinder, drag it with your hands, starting in the center, rolling it to the edges. It's gonna lengthen the little rolls, and then we're gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna take our tiny little breakfast sausage and I'm gonna fold these like this. These are the tiny little ears popping out from here, and that's all there is. And we're gonna make a few more of these, prove them for just about 10 minutes before popping them into the oven. Okay, so I have rolled out all these little bunnies. I'm gonna give it a little bit of an egg wash. I'm using only the egg white over here, and I'm gonna, with a little bit of brush, give a tiny amount of wash just to give the golden glow. Gently pat it on the exposed areas, just what is visible on the outside. Okay, I've done the egg wash for all of these little babies, and now I'm going to put a little bit of just the little eyes and a tiny nose. These don't need to rest for more than 10 minutes because there's very little dough in them. They are going to go straight into the oven, which has preheated at 175. We're going to pop them in for just about 10 minutes, and then when we come back, they'll be ready to eat. Our little bunnies are ready, and we are gonna enjoy them for breakfast now. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and enjoy these. Thank you for watching.